Welcome to FAT tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this 3D design in SolidWorks. So we are in SolidWorks now. So first of all, go to the file, new, part, okay. Then we have to select the front plane and sketch. Then open the drawing. So this is our drawing. So we will make a rough sketch like this and then we will dimension. Okay, open the SolidWorks. So I will select the line, something like this. Okay, then go to the drawing. So this dimension is 59. Okay, so smart dimension, this is 59. Okay, go to the drawing again. This dimension is 34. Okay, smart dimension 34. Okay, go to the drawing again. This dimension is 12.5 and 17. Okay, go to 12.5. okay, and from this end to this end 17. Okay, go to the drawing again. This dimension is 26 and this dimension is 16. Okay, and this dimension is same. Okay, so this dimension is 26 and this dimension is 12.5. okay, the sketch is ready and we have to go to the how many extrude we need, 27. Okay, go to the feature and extrude, it is 27. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I will upload a similar tutorials like that. Thank you very much for watching.